Okay, so this YouTube video came across my feed and I couldn't not. So we're gonna watch the video. We'll give some thoughts and we'll check out the comment section.
What's up? I've got it. What's your name? For what? Because I'm asking. I'm investigating a crime right now. I need to know your name. And you match it. You have a possible match the suspect I'm looking for.
I'm investigating a crime and you might match the suspect description. Okay, what crime are you investigating? What crime do you think I have committed, I'm in the process of committing, or I might commit? What's that reasonable, articulable suspicion there?
Or the other involved party. Can you describe that? What's that? No, I need your name. I need identification from you right now, okay? In the state of Utah, if I'm investigating a crime, you have to provide identification to me.
That is incorrect. He has to reasonably articulate what he is investigating and why the person he is talking to is suspected of said crime.
And even if you're not involved in the incident, then you can still be charged with failure to comply.
See, that's where they try to intimidate you into doing what they tell you to do. It's bullshit.
Information. You don't have any. What's your name?
I don't feel comfortable giving that out to you.
Okay, dude, do you want to be arrested? Dude, this isn't that hard.
Dude. Don't call them dude, though. Dude, you want to be arrested? Look, Thin Blue Line Gang.
I didn't do anything wrong, officer. I'm going to the gym.
Okay, that's fine. If you didn't do anything wrong, you're going to be on your way. I don't want to sit here and waste my time.
He doesn't want to sit there and waste his time. You do not have to be a witness against yourself for the state. If he really thought that he committed a crime, he could articulate the crime.
I need your name. I need some sort of form of identification from you.
I don't have anything on me.
Okay, what's your name?
I don't want to give that out to you today.
You would rather be charged with a crime?
For what? What did I do?
Failure to comply. Failure to provide identification.
That is a secondary charge. He has to articulate a crime. He's guessing. He's saw this guy walking down the road and he just wants to know, he just wants his ID. It's like crack to them. This is total bullshit.
What did I do? I was just walking.
Okay, you match.
I just left my house.
Okay.
I just left my house to go to the gym.
You match your description.
And what's the description?
Pretty much what you're wearing here
What
right
am
now.
I wearing?
The black hoodie.
Black hoodie?
Yeah.
And what?
A black hoodie and dark complected. Meaning,
Wow, so you got a brown guy wearing a dark hoodie. Hey, brown guys out there with dark hoodies, feel free to not wear a dark hoodie, or I don't know, don't be brown. That's bullshit.
either Native American or possibly Hispanic is what they're telling me. Dude, we can be done here really fast.
Dude, I'm going to the gym right
I know, but that you may be going to the gym. All I need to know is your name. What's your first name?
I don't want to give you my name.
Why?
Because I didn't do anything.
Well, yeah, and if you didn't do anything, then there's no reason you shouldn't.
I did not do anything. You mean I had nothing to do with anything?
Also, I'd like to note this is a Fourth Amendment violation. Safe and secure in your person's houses, papers and effects against. This is a seizure. People think a seizure is, oh, well, they've taken you from one point to the next. No, they have seized. In this situation, would you feel free to leave? No, this is a seizure and it's bullshit.
Anything. I walked from my house. I left my house, and I'm going to Vasa Fitness to go to the gym because I got work at 10.
I don't know that.
Well, now you do.
Yeah, but if you give me your name, we're done.
For what?
If I have some identification from you...
Dude, I don't feel cool with you just pulling up on me out of nowhere. I feel like I'm being, racially profiled.
You're not being racially profiled.
Okay,
Don't even take the racial profile towards me, because you do not even know me.
I don't know you guys either. I'm just going to the gym.
Okay, that's
I'm walking to the gym,
and that we would have been done if
Bonzo is stopping me for no reason.
No, I told you.
And then he has
And of course, more cops show up because a show of force will intimidate you into getting what we want, and we will get it one way or the other.
Carpenter pulling up on me for no reason. I don't know what I did. So if I end up in jail for for nothing. I'm going to the gym for nothing. He stops me because I made strong eye contact with T-Bonzo walking. I'm testing my hypothesis on him. I'm doing this specifically to walk out of my house and I go straight to the gym. This is my daily routine. You guys see it every day. I just posted yesterday, and now watch this. Now we have 3 cops on me because they're looking for a 5'6" male Hispanic or Native American. Surprise, I'm brown, Hispanic, Native American.
Allegedly, where's the call? They have a cat in the car. They'll say, well, we don't have to show you that. And they are correct. They do not have to show you that. It's total bullshit. They could stop everybody walking down the road. They could stop everybody driving down the road. Well, you match a description. It's bullshit.
What am I looking for? What are you looking for? What do you guys need?
Just right
Now we have 3 officers.
We just need to know what your name is.
For what?
So I can tell, we have a name of the suspect.
Okay,
You give
and
us
you're...
your name.
For what?
Okay, so we're investigating an assault. Okay.
Alright, you guys want to hear my name?
What was told? Yes.
Alright, well now we have 4 officers coming up.
I know
That's not an officer.
Alright, I was about to give you my name, but let's just wait for all the 4 officers to pull up.
So if they're investigating an assault, that means this one would have had to have been close enough to somebody to assault them. They would have more of a description than, well, he's brown with a dark jacket. There would be some facial features that they would recognize. There would be some other than he's brown in a black jacket.
Wait for 10. Shit, let's get the whole fucking sheriff out here. Let's get the whole department out here.
Do you know what?
Let's get your higher commanders out here. Because what did I do? I did nothing. I deal with this shit on a fucking daily basis. You know, this is like my 5th time in Cedar City.
Well, if he deals with this shit on a daily basis and he handles it the way he handles this, he is going about it incorrect.
Like, you guys are like new. These are new faces to me. I've seen like, I've been on this other town. I got stopped. I go on that side of town. I get stopped. I go on this end of town. I don't get stopped. I get over here. I told you I don't have an ID, officer.
What's your name?
I said, officer, I don't have an ID, and I don't want to give you my name because I did nothing wrong.
Okay.
And I'm like, oh, what are you stopping me for? And you're talking to me, and then you have him trying to talk to me, and you have him trying to talk to me, and you have him trying to talk to me. Dude, I'm gonna continue. But what else do you guys want to continue?
What's your name?
You guys, what should we do? Should we give them our name?
No, you should not. You should make them articulate what crime you are suspected of committing and prove what crime you are suspected of committing. See, that's the issue. There would be a CAD call. Show me the CAD call of exactly what is going on. See, they don't have to do all that. And again, it's total bullshit.
I don't know. If I go to jail for nothing, this is stupid. If I get arrested for nothing,
No, then you shouldn't even be out here posting this. If you're not willing to follow all the way through with it, do not even record it. Do not even post it. You're missing the whole point of it. At this point, you're just trying to get some views for no reason.
I could plead my fifth until my attorney shows up. I can do anything. All they want is a name.
What's your name?
Let me get yours first.
And look, now there's even more of them. There's another one standing back there. There's 4 or 5 of them now. Let's see. How many of them will give up their names?
Carpenter.
Okay.
Gotcha.
Okay.
Name.
And there's always got to be a fucking smart ass right here with all this fucking shit and all the extra magazines and tasers and body cams and whatever the hell this is and all this damn shit to make them look tough. They are not. They're a bunch of fucking pussies is what they are. Right here, my name, can't you read? This is here we go. This is the standards. Let's not shave while we're at it.
Badge number. Badge number. Okay. Name.
Sergeant Bonzo.
Badge number.
We don't have badge numbers.
See, thank you, Sergeant Bonzo. We don't have badge numbers. Now, that may or may not be correct. They might not have a badge number, but they have a call number. When my husband worked at the police department, he had a couple different ones based on his rank. He was 304 and 307. So they have an identifying number. It might not be a badge number, and the cops know that, but he asked for a badge number, and their departments might not have badge numbers, but they have an identifying number. They're just being assholes.
Okay. So from here, what are we gonna do?
Just simply, all I need is your name.
Alright, I give you my name, and then what's next?
As long as your name does not match the name we're looking for, you're on your way.
Okay. My name? Mckaylon Jackson.
Okay,
If that's me. If you're looking for me, then you're looking for me.
and what's your date of birth?
10.
Okay.
So it's January 10th,
Okay.
2004.
Excellent.
Are you looking for me?
Nope.
And then after all this, he folds like a cheap lawn chair. Not only does he give them his name, he gives them his date of birth. Now, they're going to put his information in a system. They'll look him up. They'll find his home address. They'll find out where he works. They'll see if he has any criminal history. And the next time they see him walking down the road, it will be something else. There was 0 point of him recording this and 0 point of him uploading it. 0 point of it. He folded just like they thought he would. This whole interaction is ridiculous.
Okay. Please don't ever stop this person again.
No, I can stop.
Okay? Don't stop me. Okay? You guys have a great day.
Have a great day. Have a great day. Really? They're having a great day because they're getting more citizens like you to do exactly what they tell you to do.
You have a good day. God, fuck the police, dude. I deal with this shit on fucking...
Oh, see, now he wants to be a badass. Oh, fuck the police. I deal with this shit on daily. Do you fold like a cheap lawn chair every time? Because I'm going to go look at some more of your videos and we'll see.
basis. We going to the gym, though? Ah!
So, stop. Let's see what the comments have to say. Okay, here at the comment section. The Fourth Amendment and all the other ones protect us from these cops. We're supposed to. All we need is a name. Immediately ask for date of birth. Yes, because the name is never good enough and they actually want a picture ID. Tell them, have the day they deserve instead of have a good day. Stay safe and record everything. Absolutely. Thin blue line gang members. Ignorance of the law is no excuse, of course, unless you're a gang member. Stop talking to gang members. Yes, stop. Cop is lying. Don't ever give up your rights. They were not looking for anyone. They just wanted to get your info. You need to stand on your rights, bro. Exactly, you do. Or don't do this. Don't record no videos and put them up. Never answer questions. Never give them your identity. If you're arrested for nothing, you get lots of money. Stand strong, brother. Don't ever give your information. It's all bluff. Next time, plead the Fifth and shut up. Exactly. But you have to let them know you're invoking your Fifth Amendment privilege. Fifth Amendment right. They'll call it Fifth Amendment privilege. You invoke your Fifth Amendment privilege. It's a right. And yes, I invoke it. And yes, I'm not going to say anything. Because if you don't say you invoke your Fifth Amendment right and you just don't talk, then they'll get you for hinder, delay, obstruct, anything they can throw at you. Ask for the call. Yes, they don't have to show you that. They're just fishing. I loved NWA's song, If the Police, when it came out. I didn't even like rap back then. It is very real music. I was profiled for having long hair in the 70s, 80s, and 90s too. Blue Line Bandits. When the pigs refused to give a name and badge number. Is conduct unbecoming? You would think, but they won't do anything about it. Talk to a lawyer. That's a vague description. It needs to be specific, and these officers know this. Exactly. You can sue these scumbags. Wrote a complaint, making a video on that. On what's that? Oh, you wrote a complaint. Well, good. I hope it was a long and specific complaint because they give zero shits about any complaint. Matter of fact, they'll probably just throw it in the garbage. Should have never given your date of birth. He said just needed your name. They're trained to keep badgering you, so you give in. Without, I guess it's ID, how would they know if you gave the correct name? Exactly. Dude, why the hell did you give them your date of birth? You know what they did. You know what they did next, right, with that info? They put you on the system, so next time they pull you over, they'll know what you did that day. Bro, next time, shut your mouth. I like seeing that the new generation actually knows their rights, at least considerably better than mine did growing up. Watch some auditing videos, kid, and you'll know how to handle the badge terrorists next time they show up. You're unfortunately on the radar now, yes, and this generation, you should... Back in the day, law enforcement was not like this. They didn't harass. My husband was in law enforcement between his military training, between his law enforcement training, his Department of Correction training, and working experience. He has about 30 years. None of it was like it is now back then. Cops didn't just harass people because there was no cell phones. There was no video. All it took was somebody walking in and complaining, and they would drag you in before the chief of police and dress you down. They just did. They had stacks of applications. They didn't care. And if they had enough complaints on you, you were gone. They didn't care. Completely unnecessary. While you're talking to them, just let them arrest you. Stop talking. I don't answer questions. Now you're on file because you got scared. So they all will pass your name around the department. Nice. Yup, people need to start taking their right to remain silent seriously while harassing a white guy. Not sure. He seemed like they were looking for a brown, could have been an Indian guy, could have been a Mexican guy, but they said a brown guy with a black jacket. It's ID crack. It absolutely is. You could have literally given them any name. That would have been a crime. Stay silent and do not lie. Let them do all the lying. Point being, they needed his name so badly to match their information they had on their CAD that they didn't want to show anybody, that he gave them a name and they're like, that's not the name. They were full of shit to begin with. Easy and simple. Identify yourself, and if you don't owe anything to census problem, I don't know who this is, but that is incorrect. That's total bullshit. They profile, I don't care. I will never watch you again. You people are all simple. This has already been through the courts. When investigating actual crime reported from a credible witness or victim, if you're in the area and match a description, cops can stop and ID you. They can ask. They have to articulate, cite the case. But I'd bet nothing exists to support this unless a fake call was made to try to justify this. They have to articulate what they are. If they said there's a guy with a, I don't know, brown hat on with a black hoodie, and the hoodie is pulled up, and he has black hair, and look like he has a scar on the right side of his face or something going on there. He had a scar there, and he has a backpack on, and he has blue jeans on, and he has white sneakers, and he has a phone on a tripod, and he's recording. Yes, that matches him to a T. Hey, this guy here said that you assaulted. We need you to. That's different. They just pulled up on him and said, "Hey, I need. You know who I am. I need your ID. Will you match a description?" No, it was vague enough that anybody, the next person walking down, could have matched a description. It was bullshit. They have to reasonably articulate. It can't just be a hunch. Well, this might be the guy. Well, wait, there's a guy walking down the road over there too. He's brown. He's got a black jacket on. And no, it is not. No. Absolutely not. You do not have to, and do not be a witness against yourself for the state. Anyway, that's all on this one. Also, 90% of people that watch these videos are not subscribed. Click the button. You're on your laptop. You have your phone in your hand. Just click the button. And like and share. Let me know what you think about this one. And I'm out.